All right, so just introduce yourself and let people know what was going on.
Okay, I'm Julie White, and I've been having some headaches and nausea for I think 4 years now, and almost like every other, I feel like 6 months I went to the doctor to talk about my nausea and then headaches and then also stomach pains, but they again would just say there's nothing we can do about it, or just pills. And then yeah, we came here and then we didn't have to take pills, which was really awesome because I was not really looking forward to that. And yeah.
Now we did do supplements though, right?
Yes.
Just not medications.
Yes.
All right. So we've done adjustments, spinal adjustments. We did some lab testing too, right? So to see if there were deficiencies or gut health issues, and then we addressed that with proper supplements and adjustments. And so how long have you been treated here? About 3 months,
Yeah,
right?
I think so.
So how much better would you say you are now? Or what kind of things was interfered with your life before that now you're able to do without a problem?
Well, I feel like just being able to do my homework or hanging out with friends and not being in a bad mood because of my headaches, and yeah.
All right, that's good. All right, thanks for sharing.
You're welcome.